Hey, I hope everyone is having a wonderful week so far. I wanted to get on here real quick and show you guys how to make a grilled cheese in the Deluxe air fryer. This is actually my first time doing this, but I heard it turns out really well, so I'm gonna try it out. So I just did like regular butter each side of the bread, and I usually go pretty heavy on the grilled cheese, so mind you, this might look a little messy when it's done, but it'll be good. Put some Velveeta. Just throw it up here. Just gonna close the door up, turn it to the air fry setting, hit this button, turn it down to 3 minutes, and see what happens. And you can also turn the light on so you can see what's going on in there. Now mind you, we use ours like every day, so it's a bit dirty. Usually you can see in there pretty good. So it kind of has a cool down time. You can just go ahead and open it and it'll shut off, but it'll kind of cool down for a bit before it shuts off. Oh, it doesn't look like it's done yet. So it doesn't look like the cheese melted enough yet. And so mine came here with this this set of like mini pot holders. So I'll pull it out and flip it over. It's getting a little crisper. I'm gonna put it back in for another 2 minutes. I don't think it's melted enough, so I'm gonna stick it in again for another 2 minutes. There we go. I recommend starting low and then putting it in and trying it again, just so you don't burn it when you're not really sure how to use it the first time. Yep, that's much better. There we go. A little bit crispy. Yum. And as you can see, I used one of the newer spatulas from Pampered Chef. I got this as a reward from one of my last parties, and I like this a lot. I would say this is pretty high quality. So, as I've said in some of my other videos, we absolutely love this air fryer. We use it practically every day. My husband uses it more than I do for just about everything. We rarely use the oven anymore unless we're baking like a big dish or something, or just a big pan that won't fit in here. But if you can't afford one of these, I highly recommend booking yourself a party, especially for this month, because you could get this at 60% off, which is a pretty good deal.